What's the meaning of accented? Accented. 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 The word accented can be used to describe a person's speech or writing that has a particular regional or cultural flavor. It can also be used to describe a word or letter that has a diacritic mark, such as an acute accent or a grave accent. In general, an accented word or syllable is one that is pronounced with a particular emphasis or stress. Here are some examples of how the word accented can be used in a sentence. The woman spoke with a heavily accented French accent. The accented letters in the word café indicate that it is pronounced with a different stress than the word café. The artist's use of accented colors in the painting created a sense of movement and excitement.